Metrodata have been a British manufacturer of data communications equipment for over 30 years. One of the most popular methods of extending your local network over a wide area network is using Ethernet over PDH or SDH technology. Our wide range of Ethernet extension products offer cost-effective, efficient, and reliable delivery of Ethernet services to your premises. Our Ethernet over serial devices provide Ethernet extension to legacy serial interfaces such as X21 and V35 up to 20 megabits per second. Our Ethernet over PDH and SDH products connect links such as E1, T1, E3, DS3, or multiple E1, E3 and DS3, as well as STM1. Our Ethernet extension products can be used for point-to-point and hub-spoke network topologies. By utilizing our MC12000 chassis, you can support up to 48 LAN extensions in one unit. Contact us today.